Hello students, today we are here to discuss questions based on speed, distance and time. Before we start today's lecture, let me introduce myself and my institute before you. EduNotech Private Limited is an institute which will help boost your academic career. We also hold various level competitive and scholarship examinations to make sure that students are getting proper exposure of the level of competitive exams they will give in the future, and no student is kept away from their education because of the financial condition. I am Shubha Patel and I am here to take up your reasoning batch, and I have completed my schooling from Delhi Public School Prayagraj, and I am currently in BTech third year Mechanical Engineering from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Uttar Pradesh. Let us start today's lecture. So here we have this question on the board. Let us first read the question. A bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 km and then travels a distance of 90 km at an average speed of 10 km more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, find the original speed. So we have certain destinations and it is divided into two. One is 75 km and the other one is 90 km. And the total time taken to complete the journey is 3 hours. Okay. Now I hope I don't need to tell you the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Right. Now it says for this particular distance of 75 km it has one speed. What would be its speed? S is equals to 75 by T1. Okay. And then 90 km has speed 10 more than the previous one. Here it says 10 km more than the first speed. So S plus 10 is equals to 90 upon T2. If I have to go from like Mumbai to Lonavala and the distance is divided into two parts. For example, I have to stop here for like enjoying or taking selfie. Stopping for taking selfie. Okay. Now this distance from Mumbai, from the place I started, this distance has a certain distance, and from this point to the final destination it has certain distance. Total distance is A plus B, and total time I am taking is T. From this point Mumbai to Lonavala, initial point to the final point, total time is T. And my speeds also changed from here to here. It was suppose S here, then it became S minus 10, S plus 10 or whatever. There was a different speed here. Now I have to find out what was my speed. Then A. Now time taken here is T1 in the first part. Okay. And in the second part it's T2. Total time I know it's T. So T1 plus T2 is equals to T is for sure. And then speed is equals to distance upon time. So for T1 it will be D1 upon S1. What is D1? A upon S1. Okay. Now for this T2 is equals to D2 upon S2, and I know this S2 has certain relation with this S1. So this from this question it was S1 plus 10. So I will do B plus S1 plus 10 is equals to T. Now we are getting this equation here and we are given the value of total time taken. This will form a quadratic equation and we will solve it using Shridharacharya formula or by simply dividing the middle term splitting rule. Okay. So let us go back to our question. The question was, the journey is divided into two parts, 75 km and 90 km. This first part had a certain speed and this second part had a speed in relation to the first part. Okay, and total time taken by this part was T1 and by the other part was T2, and total time was 3 hours. So T1 plus T2 is equals to 3 hours. I know this. Let us relate T1 in terms of S. So T1 here became 75 by S and T2 here became 90 upon S plus 10, and I know T1 plus T2 is equals to 3 hours. So 75 by S plus 90 upon S plus 10 is equals to 3. Now this can get cancelled. I will simply cancel this. 25 by S plus 30 by S plus 10 is equals to what? 25S plus 250 plus 30S is equals to S square plus 10S. It is S square plus 10S. Now S square plus 10S minus 25S minus 250 minus 30S. Now we get S square minus 15S, sorry, 10S minus 25S, and then here I have minus 30. So 10S minus 25S would give me minus 15, and then minus 35 gives minus 45S, and then the constant 250 is equals to 0. Okay. Now by middle term splitting, 250 into and I have to get this 45 through 5, 5, 5 and 2. How can I get this? This gives me 25, this 10. No, I cannot get this. 5, 5 is 25 and 25 2 is 50, and 50 minus 5 will give me 45. Okay. So S square minus 50S plus 5S minus 250 is equals to 0. S minus 50 plus 5 S minus 50 is equals to 0, taking S minus 50 as common. S plus 5 is equals to 0. So S is equals to 50 or minus 5, and we know speed cannot be negative, so correct answer is S is equals to 50. So the original speed was 50. This is how we solve these kind of questions. Let us take another question. For total distances, total distance is 2800 kilometers. The aircraft was slowed down due to some weather conditions. Its average speed is reduced to 10 kilometers. So initially, the average speed was S, and then finally it was reduced by 100 km per hour. The unit is in kilometer per hour, and the unit is kilometer. Okay, and it is asking, and then it goes on to say, and the time of the flight increased by 30 minutes. Initially we had to travel 2800 kilometers in T time, but due to some weather conditions I had to travel the same distance, but my time was increased by 30 minutes, that is half an hour. I am taking time in hours only. Okay, so now let us see how to solve the question. What remains constant here is the distance. Okay, I have to travel this distance somehow. So 2800 km was travelled by T, then the initial speed SI was 2800 by T, but due to some weather conditions, the final speed became S initial minus 100 upon 2800, and the time increased by half an hour, right? So now we have to replace any one of the value, either T or SI. We have to find the speed and time taken both. So let us, initial speed and time taken. So let us first replace T. So I know T, or we can replace SI, T or SI, anything we can replace. Let's replace SI because SI it is already given as 28 by 100 by T. So 2800 by T minus 100 is equals to 5600 upon 2T plus 1. Now this can get cancelled. 28 minus T 2T plus 1 is equal to 5060. 5060 plus 28 minus 2T square minus T is equal to 5060. 50/60 and 50/60 will get cancelled. So we are here left with 2t square minus 2t square minus t plus 28 and is equals to 0. 2t square plus t minus 28 is equals to 0. I have to get 56. 56 is equals to 2 into 28, 2 into 7 into 4. Now 2 into 4 gives 8 and then I have 7. So 2 square plus 8t minus 7t minus 28 is equals to 0. Let's take 2t common. Here I am left with t plus 4 and 7 here common. T plus 4. T plus 4 is common. So t is equals to minus 4 or 7 by 2. That is minus 4 hour or 7 by 2, 3.5 hour. We know that time cannot be negative, so the right answer is t is equals to 7 by 2, that is 3.5 hour is the final answer. If it was asking speed, we would have replaced the value of t here and find the speed, initial speed. From this kilometer, the unit would be kilometer per hour. Thank you for watching our video.